What's up, guys? Welcome to today's lesson. Now, I got a comment from one of you asking me to demonstrate some of the pentatonic fills that I talked about in the previous lesson. So this is coming from someone called GSS for fun. All right. And your question was, can you demonstrate this in a song, maybe Amazing Grace? All right. So in the previous lesson, we talked about Amazing Grace. We talked about the pentatonic fills, and in this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate it in one or two situations, so you see how you can really use it. All right. Let's get right to it. So if we take a look at a simple song like Amazing Grace, let's say the key of C, yeah? So, first chord C, Zing Grace. So first it's a regular C chord, and then a C7, Zing Grace. I just add that there. How sweet, F, the sound, back to C. That made A minor, a wretch like me. Let's take it simple. D minor. Okay, but usually I'll play a wretch like me. So it's a D9. All right. So it's just you play the 2 chord, and then instead of playing a regular major 7, it's like a major 7, but you take the bottom note, make it that so that it's a D major, not a minor. Okay. So it spells out this melody. So I'll just play the song with just the chords, right? No pentatonic stuff. So right. All right. So let's take just this part we just played, all right, and see how we can play around that. So two scenarios, two ways you can use the pentatonic fills. Let's say someone is singing, or a saxophonist is playing, or a guitarist is playing. So the keyboardist, you are just behind, right? So now I'm just gonna go around and try to play around, right? Every time I'm just trying to play some kind of melody with. All right, that's all I'm doing. All right. So all right. All right. I'm not really thinking so much. I'm just coming up with some kind of melody, right? So I start with amazing, amazing. So that's one. It's a simple melody, but of course it's for the pentatonic scale, right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and the scale is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, right? Then I come up with. Oh, so that's a pentatonic kind of feel, right? Oh, or can get crazy, right? So now the 6 you can do. So while I'm playing, I'm sort of getting these ideas and so on. It's not too complicated, but if this is your first time playing with these pentatonic fills, you need to intentionally come up with the fills and actually play them, right? So you don't go off like the way I'm just doing. Right? I'm just trying to come up with melodies and just avoiding the 4 and the 7. That's all I'm doing. All right. So if you're doing it for the first time, try and come up with intentional melodies. And of course, while I'm playing some intentional melodies. So feel free to just slow down and pick some of them and apply them to what you're doing, right? So that's one way we can certainly go about it. Let's see if another line we can use comes in. So amazing. So of course, if you're playing the melody of the song itself, like you don't have anybody singing, you don't have anyone playing the sax or anything of that nature, then of course you can't sacrifice the melody. So never sacrifice the melody. If you're playing the song for people to hear, you need to make them hear the song, right? So the melody is. So that's the melody, like. So then at least there's a bit of gap here to do the so that's what I created that out of. So right, just a little bit, and then here it comes to you can do. So here the ending, amazing grace, and then you're coming back to the 1. So here instead of the parado, you can do. Right, all you're doing is what melody you're supposed to play. So you're going up, you're going just coming a bit down in the scale. This is what you want to play. Just carry it up like in this pentatonic. So basic, right? So so this melody as well, you can embellish it by actually adding some pentatonic. So right. So this is how the whole thing gets a bit endless possibility. If you enjoyed this lesson, do well to give it a thumbs up. Put it in the comment section below, and I always listen to you guys. So any questions you may have, do well to let me know, and I'll definitely see you in the next lesson.